In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can remove a database from a listener using the NetMGR tool in Oracle. So you want to ensure that your Oracle home is set, and then from the command line type netmgr. So this will launch the Network Manager tool, expand local, expand listeners, select the listener on the server. From this section, select the drop down, select database services, and here I have two databases. To remove the database, select remove database, and then select file, and select save network configuration. So select close to exit. Now do a listener reload, lsn rctl reload. Now do a listener status, and the database instance is not shown on the listener.